How to hire the best air conditioner repair company in Dubai. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for all your household needs. Today, we're diving into the bustling city of Dubai, known for its luxurious lifestyle and scorching temperatures. We understand that keeping your home cool and comfortable is essential, which is why we're here to guide you on how to hire the perfect AC technician in Dubai. Meet Sarah, a Dubai resident who's been enduring the sweltering heat for days. Her AC unit has broken down, and she has no idea where to start to find a reliable technician. Sarah, I just can't take this heat anymore. I need help, but I don't know where to find a trustworthy AC technician in Dubai. Don't worry, Sarah. We've got you covered. Step 1. Do your research. Start by conducting thorough research online. Look for reputable AC service providers in Dubai and read customer reviews to get a sense of their reliability and professionalism. Sarah, I didn't realize how important research was. This will help me make an informed decision. Step 2. Check for licensing and certifications. Always ensure that the AC technician you hire is licensed and certified. This guarantees that they have the necessary skills and expertise to handle your AC unit effectively. Sarah, I had no idea licenses and certifications were so important. This will give me peace of mind. Step 3. Seek recommendations and referrals. Don't hesitate to ask for recommendations from trusted friends, neighbors, or online communities. Hearing about others' positive experiences can help you narrow down your choices. Sarah, I never thought to ask for referrals. Step 4. Request multiple quotes. Once you've narrowed down your options, contact multiple AC technicians and request quotes for the repair or installation service you need. This will allow you to compare prices and find the best value for your money. Sarah, I can't believe how much money I could have saved by comparing quotes. This is a game changer. Step 5. Schedule a consultation. Finally, schedule a consultation with the AC technician you're considering. This will give you an opportunity to discuss your needs, ask questions, and gauge their professionalism. And thanks for watching.